Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to hide content on Discovery in Snapchat app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to hide content on Discovery in the Snapchat app allows you to customize your content feed and control the types of content you see. And by hiding specific content or channels that you are not interested in, you can tailor your Discover feed to meet your preferences and interests more closely. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, after that, if you open Stories tab, then here you will find many content on Discover area. So the way to hide the content you dislike it the most, simply press on the content like this, and then you can select Hide Content option. Click Yes. Okay, and this way you can apply to all of content that disturbing your moods. Well, that's the tutorial on how to hide content on Discover in Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.